What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can set up OpenAI API key. Well, the process for that is very simple. For that, you just have to come to Google and search for OpenAI API. Now, if you search for that, you will be able to see all these OpenAI APIs and all the things. However, if you want to set this up, just simply search for setup. If you search for that, you will see this website popped up, which is Quick Start Tutorial. If you go to this website, you'll be able to find all the commands that you need to use. As you can see, there are different versions for it. You can install it in Linux or you can install it in Windows and you can install it in Python, JavaScript, or Perl as well. Now, it totally depends upon you, however you want to use it. Suppose you want to install it in Python. First of all, in your Windows, you just have to open up your PowerShell and give this command. Once you do that, you just have to make sure you have Python installed. After installing the Python, you will have obviously pip library as well. Now, you just have to, use the CMD to run this command, which is pip install OpenAI. Once it is done, you just have to open up your coding environment, which could be any coding environment according to you, and then simply use it to do however you want. Now, these are some of the commands which you can use, and there you go. This image to generate this prompt is to generate text, this is to generate image, and this is to create vector embeddings. Now you can use this according to you. So there you go. These are the commands you can use it to set up the OpenAI API in your Python codes or any other language available here. Hope you guys find this video helpful.